How to divide decimal number? We have here example. Number 1, 2 and 35 hundredths divided by 5 tenths. So we will write this one. We will write this one like this, 0 and 5 tenths as our divisor, and our dividend is 2 and 35 hundredths. So gawin nating whole number ngayon ang ating divisor. Sa paggawa niyan, we will just simply move the decimal point from left to right like this. So 1. Pag ginawa natin yan gawin din natin yan sa ating dividend. So move din tayo ng 1 papunta sa right. So pag rewrite natin, naging whole number na ang ating 5. Tapos sa ating dividend ay nagiging 23 and 5 tenths. So ngayon, pwede na tayong mag-divide. So 23 divided by 5. So how many group of 5 are there in 23? So we have only 4. So 4 times 5 is 20. Then we will get the difference. 3 subtracted by 0 is equal to 3. Then we will bring down 5. So nagiging 35 na. Tapos kopyahan lang natin ang decimal point. So 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. So 7 times 5 is equal to 35. So 35 subtracted by 35 is equal to 0. So our answer for this example, 2 and 35 hundredths divided by 5 tenths is 4 and 7 tenths. For our example number 2, we have here 14 and 4 tenths divided by 12 hundredths. So ngayon, rewrite muna natin. Sulat natin dito ang divisor. 0 of 12 hundredths. Then write the division symbol. Write natin dito ang dividend na 14 and 4 tenths. So para makapagsimula tayo mag-divide, gawin nating whole number ang ating divisor. So sa paggawa natin ng whole number, we simply move the decimal point na from left to right. So we will move twice going to the right. So 1 and 2. So mayroon na tayong ang 12 ay whole number na. Susulat natin dito 12. Tapos sa ating dividend naman, move din tayo ng dalawa. So you have to move 1, 2. So add lang tayo ng 0. So ang dividend natin ay nagiging 1,440. So ngayon, pwede na tayong mag-divide. So 14 divided by 12 is equal to 1. 1 times 12 is equal to 12. Now we will get the difference. 4 subtracted by 2 is equal to 2. Then bring down 4. So we have here now 24. So 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2. Sulat na natin ang 2 sa ibabaw ng 4. So 2 times 12 is 24. Then we will get the difference. So 24 subtracted by 24 is equal to 0. So now, bring down natin ang 0. So 0 divided by 12 is equal to 0. Sulat na natin ang 0 sa ibabaw ng 0. So 0 times 12 is equal to 0. So 0 subtracted by 0 is equal to 0. So our answer is 120. So that is our answer for number 2 example. 14 and 4 tenths divided by 1200. So is equal to 120. For our example number 3, we have here 22 and 5 tenths divided by 1 and 5 tenths. So, i-rewrite natin. Sulat natin dito ang 1 and 5 tenths. Then, sulat din natin dito. Sulat natin ang division symbol. Sulat natin ang 22 and 5 tenths. So, ngayon, para makapag-divide tayo, maumpisahan natin ang pag-divide, gawin nating whole number ang ating divisor. So, ito ang ating divisor. So, para magiging whole number, move lang natin ang decimal point from left to right. So, 1. Then, sa ating ding dividend, move din natin ng 1. Dahil lang move tayo ng 1 dito, move din tayo ng 1 going to the right. So, whole number na ngayon ang ating divisor. We have 15. Then, ang ating dividend nagiging 225. So, ngayon, umpisahan na natin ang pag-divide. 22 divided by 15 is equal to 1. So 1 times 15 is equal to 15. Now, we will get the difference. So, 2 subtracted by 5 cannot be. So, borrow 1 from 2, and 2 becomes 1, and 2 becomes 12. So, pwede na tayo mag-divide. Malaki na ang ating, ang 2 nagiging 12 na. So, 12 subtracted by 5 is equal to 7. Then, sunod, bring down 5. So, 75 divided by 15. How many group of 15 are there in 75? So, ganito ang gawin natin. So, 15 added to 15 is equal to 30. Then 30 added to 15 is equal to 45. Then 45 added to 15 is equal to 60. So 60 added to 15 is equal to 75. Now, alam na natin ngayon kung ilang 15 ba sa 75. So, bilangin natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, our answer here is 5. So, 5 times 15 is 75. Now, we will get the difference. 75 subtracted by 75 is equal to 0. So, our answer or the quotient of 22 and 5 tenths divided by 1 and 5 tenths is equal to 15. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learn from our lesson today. And don't forget to subscribe.